Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn one thing very important in Canva, how to make any font more bolder if we want. So first we go to a Canva sheet and write any text we want. Now if we want to bold this text in any font we choose, there is a limit. But if we want to make this font more bolder, there is a simple trick in Canva which we can use. For that, what we have to do? So first we select whichever font we want. So we are going to select a font. The text for text we have written. Now we have made it bold. Now we want more bolder text. So what should we do? We go to Effect and choose Outline. Okay. And after choosing the outline, go to the color section, outline section, and make it black. Now it's becoming more bolder. Now go to the thickness button and set according to the thickness of your word. Now you thanks for watching this video. If you want anything you want on Canva, you can call us or can write on WhatsApp. We will ready to help at AI EduVista. Thank you.